Hello everybody, welcome back to our garden series. Again, thank you for all the support on the videos. If you could please continue to like, subscribe, share the videos, really help out the channel. So I think first thing first, we're gonna pull some of these weeds, pull some of the old plants. We'll go step by step, we'll do a little bit at a time, see what we can do. I did have to go to Walmart, pick up some new gardening tools because I have no idea what happened to my old ones. So I got a steel trowel, steel cultivator, and a steel weeder. These were all about like $5 each. We're not looking to break the bank here, we just need something to work with. I think we'll start with weeding out some of these live plants. Use our trusty bucket. Sit down, have ourselves a nice seat. This way we're not killing our knees too much. And we just go to work, that's all you can really do. Start pulling out all these weeds. And I think what we're gonna do is after we get these weeds up, get this garden cleaned out a little bit. Let's get that wheelbarrow a little closer. Really choking here. I think when we get it cleared out, hopefully we continue to have some nice weather before the planting season, so we can do all this work. Maybe we'll put down some weed prevention, some pre-emergence, some other weed killers. This way we don't have these weeds as a recurring problem throughout the year. It's funny, we just came out of winter. It's still February and these things are sprouting the whole time during the frost, with the snow and everything. So you really got to give it to the resilience of these weeds. How they're able to grow and survive, even with all the harsh weather conditions. I don't even know what some of these weeds are. Just popping out of nowhere. Try to save majority of the soil. That's really it. That's what we're going to be doing for the next little bit. You know, some of these videos I don't want to make too long, especially if they're just repetitive. You know, me sitting on a bucket pulling up some weeds. There's no reason for a 20-30 minute video of that. When we start going into something else, we're doing a different task, you know, then I'll turn the camera back on, make a little video, a little update on what we're doing. But yeah, like to welcome you guys to joining me on this gardening journey. We'll get a little bit ahead. Like I said, it's still just February, but I figure we give ourselves a little jump start getting the garden ready before the mowing season starts. So then when the mowing season starts, we're going to be busy with the lawns, and those are always a fun time. We're gonna have to put down our pre-emergent, some fertilizer, get our sprinkler system set back up. But that's how we do it, one day at a time, right? Anyway, right now I'm just gonna spend some time pulling up these weeds, and make another video when I'm on to the next step. Anyway, thank you again for watching. I really appreciate the support. If you could please like, share, subscribe. Let's get the subscribers up. Let's build this channel together. Thank you again. Take care.